Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can send email in HTML. We will be using FormSubmit for this tutorial. Without further ado, let's begin. Let's first create a form like I've done already and set some name variables. Name. After that, we go to FormSubmit, link in the description, and we need to connect our form to FormSubmit. We will need to copy the form action. Let's copy that. Now over here in the URL pattern, we need to change this to our email. I'm going to change it to my email. Next, we need to add name attributes like I've done over here. This is what FormSubmit will send. Next, we need to send the email. So let's try. Now I'm just going to add random names. Send. Now I need to click this and it works. So we have this and our name, and it's been emailed to me. Thanks for watching. If you really like this video, you can subscribe and like this video. So yeah, see you next time.